Hi there, welcome back to the class. Today in this session, we'll discuss a few questions related to the usage of adjectives. So, question number one. While most books on derivatives discuss half the work, this book looks at the contributions of derivatives to overall economic well being that is known as the more important factor of all elements involved in the economic structure. Statement is lengthy and it also looks complex, but you don't really need to bother. The error is very simple here. If you look at this part, you have used an adjective called the more important factor of all elements. So more is what? More is a comparative degree. So why do we use it? Why do we use comparative degree? We use comparative degree when there are two persons or places or things compared. But here, what are compared is the point. Look at this. There is a comparison between that and all elements. Okay, so that is singular, which is one, and all elements. Naturally, the comparison is not between two, but it is between more than two. So when more than two things or persons or places compared, so what form you are supposed to use? You are supposed to use the superlative form of an adjective. Okay, so we have got three forms here, right? Much, more, and most. Since there is comparison between more than two, you are supposed to use most important factor of all elements, not more important factor. It's a very simple error. Okay, so I know in the last session I gave you an example. Ramu is a good boy. Ramu is better than Ravi. When I use better, there is a comparison between Ramu and Ravi. And when I say Ramu is the best of all students, there is comparison between more than two. Clear? Done. Question number two. So, with a painting style built in abstract shapes and Eastern techniques, she was by far the most unique student at the entire academy. This is a very, very simple, error. See, there is an expression called the most unique. I told you in the last session there are certain words like unique, perfect, universal, and other words. I have given a list actually. So these words are not actually supposed to be used in comparisons. They do not have comparative and superlative forms. Simple. You need to remember that. Okay. So when you use unique, you cannot actually compare it with other things. Like Taj Mahal is a unique construction. Since it is unique, you cannot compare Taj Mahal with other monuments or constructions. Okay, so here he is a unique student. That is the correct answer. Okay, not most unique. More unique or most unique, you should not use like that. They do not have comparative and superlative forms. Okay, so if you have committed an error in this question, means you have not gone through the rules well. So please get back to the rules again and try to go through them, understand all the rules carefully, and then try to solve the exercises. Fine. Question number three. Whole the chapter of the book is full of printing errors. This is also very easy. Look at this part. Whole the chapter. See here, what is the noun here? Chapter is the noun here, and the is an article, and whole is an adjective. So it is not whole the chapter, it is the whole chapter. Okay, so adjective is something that is used immediately before a noun to refer to the noun, right? So when I say chapter, the adjective here is whole, that means whole chapter. And the is an article, a definite article, that is actually used to refer to the noun phrase here, that is whole chapter. So the whole chapter is the correct expression than whole the chapter. Done. Question number four. Her mother told him that it would be more better. Again, this is also very, very easy. Look at this part. More better. What is more better? See, more better is double comparative. Okay, you have got good, better, best, and much more, most. I told you that double comparatives and double superlatives should not be used. And where do we use more actually? More is used with those adjectives for which comparative and superlative forms cannot be created by adding er or est. Let's say, beautiful. Okay, let's take an example. Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful, because you do not have a form called beautifuler and beautifulest. Then you use more. but here better. Okay, good, better, and best. Better itself is what? It's a comparative form. So when a comparative form is actually preceded by more, it becomes double. You can call it as a double comparative. Remember, double comparatives and double superlatives should not be used. So the correct expression here, it would be better. Done. Question number 5. The professor's consistent late arrival is offset somewhat by the remarkable quality of his lectures. So here the problem is with this expression, consistent late. So what is consistent? Consistent is an adjective. And what is late? Late is also an adjective. Then can we use two adjectives together before a noun? Yes, we can. Look at this example. I have a blue shirt. Okay, a blue shirt. And then it is long in size. I can say a long blue shirt. And then it looks actually good. Okay, it looks very nice. Then I say a nice long blue shirt. I can use expressions like this. I can say a blue shirt, a long blue shirt, a nice long blue shirt. But what is important here is when I say blue shirt, it's my, it's actually referring to the color. And when I say long blue shirt, long actually refers to size. When I say nice long blue shirt, nice actually refers to the appearance, how it appears, how it looks. It looks very nice. Okay, so there are three different things here. Okay, they are not same. And if you look at this example or this expression, consistent late arrival. See, late arrival, late is negative in tone and consistent is positive in tone. How could you join these two? You cannot join these two adjectives together to refer to arrival. Look at this example. Can I say a blue red shirt? Can I say like this? I can say I have a blue shirt, but can I say a blue red shirt? No, it's not possible because both refer to the color. I can say a long blue shirt or a long shirt. Can I say long short shirt? It's not possible. I can say, a nice shirt. Can I say a nice bad shirt? No, it's not possible. Same is the case with consistent late arrival. It's not possible actually. This is not a right expression. Okay. So then, what it could be, why is that word used consistent, and how can we actually better the expression? It can be better by converting consistent into adverb. Okay, then what is an adverb? Let's try to understand what's an adverb here. She sings. Okay, she sings. Sings is a verb, right? She sings. Tanu padutundi. She sings beautifully. If I say she sings beautifully, tanu chala andanga padutundi. Then what is beautifully here? It is actually modifying a verb. Okay, it actually tells how she sings. When you question a verb, if you are getting an answer, then you can understand it is basically an adverb. Okay, she sings beautifully. How does she sing? She sings beautifully. Chanu andanga padutundi. So what is beautifully? Beautifully is an adverb. So look at the other example. She sings very beautifully. Then what is very here? Very is another adverb which is modifying beautifully. That itself is an adverb. So an adverb not only modifies a verb, it also modifies another. Okay. And now look at this example. She is a beautiful singer. Okay. She is a beautiful singer. What is beautiful? Beautiful is an adjective here because it is modifying a noun. Singer is a noun. And look at the last example. She is a very beautiful singer. So very is an adverb and that is used before an adjective. So now you can understand that adverbs can modify a verb and then an adverb and an adjective. So adverbs have three different functions. They modify a verb, they also modify an adjective and also an adverb. Please do remember. Now what we can do here is, if you can understand this statement carefully, the professor is always late, and that late is actually, he maintains consistency, in late actually. So this can be converted like consistently late. So why I have changed this form into an adverb? Because as an adjective, it is not conveying the, desired meaning here. So the professor's consistent late is a wrong expression. It should be replaced with the professor's consistently late. Okay, that is the correct expression. Clear? So it's not an adjective, it is an adverb. That's what you are supposed to use here. So look at this example. Now, can you answer this? The short story has become a increasing important genre. Now, what is increasing? Increasing is an adjective, increasing genre. What is important? Important also an adjective, important genre. Okay, what's an adjective? Adjective is something that defines a noun, right? It adds more meaning to the noun. So, genre is a noun, and you have used two adjectives before this noun called genre, increasing genre and important genre. Can we have a word like this, increasing important genre? అలాంటిది ఏదైనా వాడచ్చా? సెన్స్ కన్వే అవుతుందా? అలాంటి పోనీ కాంపౌండ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్ ఏదైనా ఉందా అంటే లేదు. అర్థం అర్థం ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ నిందాక చెప్పిన స్టేట్మెంట్ చూడండి. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇక్కడ చూస్తే బ్లూ షర్ట్ అని అన్నాం. ఓకే, సెన్స్ కన్వే అయింది. మళ్ళీ బ్లూకి ఇంకొక క్వాలిటీ యాడ్ చేసాం, లాంగ్, పొడవైనటువంటి బ్లూ షర్ట్. అలాగే చాలా నైస్ ఒక లాంగ్ బ్లూ షర్ట్, మీనింగ్ కన్వే అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 3 డిఫరెంట్ క్వాలిటీస్ చెప్పాం. ఒకటి కలర్ చెప్పాం, ఇంకొకటి దాని యొక్క సైజ్ చెప్పాం, ఇంకొకటి అది ఎలా అపీరెన్స్లో ఎలా ఉందనే చెప్పాం. అంటే అక్కడ 3 డిఫరెంట్ అడ్జెక్టివ్స్, 3 డిఫరెంట్ క్వాలిటీస్. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అనేది కూడా ఏంటి, మన ఒపీనియన్కి సంబంధించింది, ఇంక్రీజింగ్ జానర్. అలాగే ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనేది కూడా మన ఒపీనియన్కి సంబంధించింది. అంటే ఒక విషయానికి సంబంధించి 2 అడ్జెక్టివ్స్ వాడచ్చా అంటే వాళ్ళెం, వి కెనాట్ యూజ్. అదే అక్కడ ఇందాక కూడా అదే ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది. కన్సిస్టెంట్ లేట్ అరైవల్ అంటే మీరు అక్కడ ఒక ఒపీనియన్లోనే ఉన్నారు, వేరే థాట్కి వెళ్ళా. క్లియర్? సో అలాంటప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ బేసికలీ రాంగ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. ఇలా రాంగ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే అడ్జెక్టివ్ని యాడ్వర్బ్ చేయాలి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ జానరా, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ జానరా. ఓకే, ఫైన్, డన్. Question number 7. In its structure, the book provides a chronologically survey. Very, very easy. Look at this. Survey is a noun. So, survey is a noun. Noun కు ముందేం రావాలి అని అంటే నౌన్కి ఎడిషనల్ మీనింగ్ ఇచ్చేది adjective. Adverb అనేంటి? Adverb adds meaning to verb, another adverb and adjective. ఓకే, adverbs అనేవి verbs ముందు వాడతాం లేదా తర్వాత వాడతాం. ఇంకొక యాడ్వర్బ్ ముందు వాడచ్చు, అలాగే ఇంకొక అడ్జెక్టివ్ ముందు వాడచ్చు. కానీ నౌన్స్ ముందు మనం యాడ్వర్బ్స్ వాడడం. నౌన్స్ ముందు వాడేవి ఎప్పుడు ఏంటి? అడ్జెక్టివ్స్, బికాస్ దే యాడ్ మోర్ మీనింగ్ టు ది అడ్జెక్టివ్స్. ఓకే, వీ సే బ్యూటిఫుల్ గర్ల్, వీ డోంట్ సే బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ గర్ల్. ఓకే, బట్ వీ సే షీ సింగ్స్ బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ. ఓకే, క్లియర్, డన్. సో హియర్ noun is what? Survey is noun and chronologically is an adverb. So the correct expression is chronological because nouns are preceded by adjectives. Chronological, survey. Next, supporting the study of English literature from the Middle Ages to the present, this book is designed as an introduction text and a helpful reference tool. This is also very easy. Look at this. Here is the problem. An introduction text. What is text? Text is a noun. So it should be preceded by an adjective, right? So here you have introduction అనేది noun, దాని యొక్క adjectival form ఏంటి? Introductory. So the correct expression is it is designed as an introductory text, not introduction text. Okay, because introduction is noun and you have used this noun before another noun to add more meaning to it. Since introduction has an adjectival form called introductory, that should be used. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనం వాడాల్సింది ఏంటి? ఇంట్రడక్టరీ టెక్స్ట్, అక్కడ అడ్జెక్టివ్ రావాలి. డన్. నెక్స్ట్, ద 7 chronological chapters are written by a team of expert contributors who are also high experienced teachers. So this is also very easy. It's not high experienced teachers, it is highly experienced teachers. So highly experienced, this is called as compound adjectives. కాంపౌండ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్స్ అంటే ఏంటంటే 2 వర్డ్స్ని కలిపి ఒక మధ్యలో దానికి హైఫెన్ యూస్ చేసి మీరు ఆ 2 వర్డ్స్ని కలిపి ఒక సింగిల్ వర్డ్ కింద కన్సిడర్ చేయొచ్చు. మనకి కాంపౌండ్ నౌన్స్ ఉంటాయి, కాంపౌండ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్స్ ఉంటాయి, కాంపౌండ్ యాడ్వర్బ్స్ ఉంటాయి. అంటే 2 వర్డ్స్ కలుపుతాం అనమాట. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మీకు. పార్ట్ టైం వర్క్, టైం అనేది ఒక వర్డ్, పార్ట్ అనేది ఒక వర్డ్, 2 కలిపితే యూ గాట్ అ న్యూ వర్డ్ కాల్డ్ పార్ట్ టైం. అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ కోల్డ్ బ్లడెడ్ మ్యాన్, ఇట్స్ ఎ కాంపౌండ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్. దెన్ బ్రైట్లీ లిట్, లిట్ ఈజ్ one word and brightly is another word. Brightly is an adjective, sorry, adverb. ఇవి 2 కలపడం వల్ల you got a new word called brightly lit. And highly talented, just like highly talented, highly experienced, highly committed, you can use an adverb with another adjective to form a compound adjective అనమాట ఇక్కడ. ఎందుకంటే అల్టిమేట్గా మీరు నౌన్ యొక్క క్వాలిటీ చెప్తున్నారు. స్టూడెంట్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు నౌన్, highly talented అంటే బాగా టాలెంట్ ఉన్న స్టూడెంట్స్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ అన్ యాడ్జెక్టివ్. ఏ యాడ్జెక్టివ్ రెండు వర్డ్స్తో కలిపి ఒక కొత్త వర్డ్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి వీ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ కాంపౌండ్ యాడ్జెక్టివ్. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వెల్ బిహేవ్డ్ పర్సన్. So these are some examples of compound adjectives. So that's all for today. These are some examples, of adjectives. So please do subscribe and share my videos, and please do like and also make comments. Thank you so much.